In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tasks in Microsoft Outlook, turn an email into a task. We'll work in the web version of Outlook because it gives you a simple, reliable way to turn any email into a trackable task. Start by opening your browser and heading to outlook.live.com. Once your mailbox loads, you're in the right place. Next, make sure you're in the Mail view. On the left side of the screen, select Mail to bring up your inbox and folders. This ensures you can see the messages you want to convert into tasks. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen for the My Day button. Click it to open a side panel. This panel is your quick productivity hub showing your calendar and your task lists right alongside your email. If you don't immediately see the panel, widen your browser window or look for the small icon that toggles it on and off. Inside the My Day panel, choose To Do. This switches the panel to your tasks view. You'll see your lists and a space where new tasks appear. Think of this as your command center for follow-ups and action items, so you don't lose track of important emails. With the panel open to Do, go back to your inbox and pick the email you want to turn into a task. Click and hold that message, then drag it into the To-Do area on the right, and release. Outlook instantly creates a new task from that email, using the subject line as the task title and attaching a link back to the original message. That link is key. It means you can jump right back to the full email thread whenever you need details without hunting through your inbox. At this point, you can refine the task right in the panel, give it a clearer title if needed, add a due date or reminder to keep it on your radar, and jot down quick notes with the exact outcome you're aiming for. You can also assign it to a specific list if you're organizing by project or priority. These small tweaks make the task more actionable and help you plan your day. That's all there is to it. Open Outlook on the web, go to Mail, open My Day, switch to Do, and drag the email into the Tasks panel. Your new task is saved, linked to the email, and it syncs with Microsoft To Do across your devices, so you'll have it wherever you work. Use this workflow to turn clutter into clarity and make sure important messages translate into real progress.